Hi everyone, it's me Deepa and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm actually going to show you guys how to make a very easy and yummy snack. So I'm calling it a snack. I think it's a snack, right? Or an appetizer. So I'm going to make it with wonton skins. I'm going to take that wonton skin and I'm going to fill it with shrimp and cream cheese, and then I'm going to steam it. Not really like steamed wontons, it's going to be more like a dumpling or dim sum. So if you're not familiar with that, this is a very neat way that you can make sort of like a stuffed dumpling using wonton skin wrappers. I have no idea what I'm going to call this, but let's just get straight to it, and I'm sure you all are going to like this recipe. So I want to show you guys my layout here, all the stuff that I have prepared, and yeah, I hope you all enjoy this recipe, and I'm so excited because I love wontons, and it doesn't even have to be fried wontons. I love steamed wontons, I love fried wontons, I love wontons exactly how I'm going to make it. So it's sort of steamed, as I said before, but it's more like a dumpling. So you'll understand as I go along, right? So I hope you all enjoy, and here goes. So I have some seasoned shrimp here. It was actually frozen shrimp. I had a little bit of shrimp left over from my last video, the last dish that I made, which was, I think, pepper shrimp. So I kept some of that seasoned shrimp back. This is the same shrimp that I got at Fish Bar, and I just left it in my freezer, and today I took it out so that I can use it in another dish, which is this yummy appetizer. So I have my wonton skins. It is this brand. It's also eggless. I try to buy eggless just in case I'm probably fasting and I want to try a wonton dish or a wonton recipe. I also have some red onions, some pimento peppers, and I chose various colors because I like my food to look pretty, as you guys will know. I have some chive and some bandania or shada beni, olive oil. I also have some cream cheese here. I'm going to use half of this, maybe a little more, I'm not sure yet. And this is my bowl for mixing my my cream cheese filling. I have a little bowl with water as well to dip my fingers when I start wrapping my wontons, and I also have a little bit of water here which I would add to my pot when I start steaming. I have a plate set aside, so as I wrap my wontons, I'll place them on the plate until I'm ready to start cooking them. So okay, so here goes. Let's get straight to it. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is prepare my filling. So I'm going to use half of my my cream cheese filling. I'm also going to add a little bit of shada beni or bandania. I'm going to add a little bit of my pimento peppers. I'm also going to add one small red onion. So I'm going to just grab all my red onion, make sure and chop them up as finely. Here I'm going to place just a little bit. Let me get a smaller spoon. Okay, Okay, so I have a small spoon here. I'm going to just place just a little bit of my cream cheese here. Now these